It's that time for the weekly unbox. I'm so excited to be here because during this weekly unbox, we have been giving you gifts and suggestions for people on your list. But today, you know the most important person on your list? It's you. So today is the day that I am going to open some of these boxes and see what has been gifted to me. This is like Christmas morning. All right, do we go in order? This one's calling my name. Okay, I feel like I've always wanted to do this. Yes, please. Yes, please get me in that kitchen. Not that I'm much of a baker, but I'd really like to become a baker. Maybe that is my my goal for 2020. KitchenAid. So you know it's going to be the best of the best. You know what? I actually really do need a new one of these because I had one from my wedding a long time ago and I lost one of the beaters. So this is perfect. Gorgeous color. Can make all those holiday cookies, holiday brownies, learn how to bake some. Apparently, as you can tell, I'm not much of a baker because I've never used one of these. Cool. I love it. Thank you, me, for gifting that to myself. What else did I get myself? This is fun. Great minds think alike. This is my color. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. This is so soft. I'm gonna wrap my whole face in it. But this is like that perfect boyfriend sweater, little slouchy V-neck. Wear it with your jeans, wear it with your skirt, throw it over your comfies. Oh, do I get to keep these? No? Okay. Well, that's one you should definitely gift to yourself. A perfect sweater is something you have to gift to yourself. All right, what do we got next? Shoebox size, but this isn't shoes. This is Josie Marin, Peace, Love, and Body Butter. I mean, if you can't gift some body butter to yourself, who can you gift it to? Yes! The whipped argan oil. Oh my goodness, they have flavors. Okay, I'm going in. French lavender, shortbread delight, little sweet treat. Unscented, I don't have to do that. I know what unscented smells like. Vanilla bean, cranberry crisp, and vanilla fig. Ooh, that is fantastic. Goodness, I just love it so much. I'm actually almost out of my usual body butter and I had that big, huge tub. So this is perfect. Now this is what I would give to myself 15 times over. Did I do this one? Okay. This is really fun. Can we do this every week? Oh. Okay, Beat Solo. I needed these too. How did I know? They have the best sound. I actually have the wireless ones, but I really want to feel cool. I feel like everyone looks so cool and they're walking around. Their big headphones. I want to be cool too. Do I look cool? Right? That's all it takes. Okay. All right. I'm really doing right by myself. Change the way you hear sound. Well, okay, Beats. Teach me how and I'll do it. I smell really good. I smell really delicious. I'm only down to one left. I don't want it to end. All right, here's the last one. I'd save the best for last. Could it be shoes? Feels like shoes. Feels like sumptuous moccasin-like slipper shoes. Who are you, Pi? What are you? Who are you from? Oh, Earth Origins. Ah, are these my size? I hope they're my size since I bought them for myself. Oh, I have been wearing these stupid heels all day long, so I really did save the best for last. It's like I'm walking on air. It's like I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, well, those are my gifts. I'm kind of sad that it's over. Can I do it again? Please? Well, if you liked any of this stuff, if you want any of this stuff, whether it's a gift for you, which I do highly recommend, One for them, one for you, one for them, one for you. Go to qvc.com, look at our gift guide, because we have so many things, not just for you, but for your kids, your grandkids, your pets, you name it. We have the guide for you. So check us out. Make sure you tune into more of our unboxing series, because we'll be doing it all holiday season long. It's so much fun. This is the most fun I've had in a while. But happy shopping, everybody. Happy holiday shopping. Gift yourself.